Hi, my name's Larke. I'm a sophomore and I'm studying psychology. So I accidentally applied here by accident. But when I took the tour, I loved that the building was so accessible and that it was two buildings combined into one, which made it so much easier with my physical disability to get to and for classes. So that's what really drove me to come to Roosevelt. I really enjoyed the small class sizes. I feel like not only do you get to know your classmates better, but your professors know you and they are more likely to call you by name instead of calling you by a number, and you really build a community within the school. And I think that's what makes Roosevelt special, that you have everybody. You have different backgrounds coming together and talking and just sharing. I would like to go into education, working on making classrooms more adaptable for children with special needs, and also writing more inclusive curriculum.